Hello, guys. Here ready to do something, ready to trade. You're gonna hear some background noise. I apologize for it, but let's start with our trading session of today. So what we need right now is to check this daily chart. That's what we read right now. On this daily chart, what happened yesterday was quite insane, right? We opened and we closed the candle at this literally same level. Open and closing at the same freaking level, like less than a point difference on a daily candle. It's insane. So we have right now a huge candle of looks like very reversal candle, but we took the lows, so that's gonna be interesting. Hello Valknut, how are you, my friend? Hello Siddharth. Let's check it out. Sorry for the noise in the background, but yeah, resist for 10 minutes. You didn't miss anything, my friend. You didn't miss anything. Stop saying that. What time do you trade? 9:30 to 10:30? You didn't miss anything. You didn't miss anything. Stop. Remove this kind of words from your brain. You didn't miss anything. It's like if it's like that. We know that the news there is at 8.5. There is news at 8.5. Are you gonna trade news? If you trade news, then you missed it. If you don't trade news, you didn't miss anything. Hello, Meta. So 1 hour chart, guys. We had a loss here of London. Not really, because now we've taken it out with this candle of the news. Retesting area here at 780. We're retesting a little bit here. It's still like I think a little bit more short potential.
Caponata, figa, sai perché non ha provato la
Hey, Paul. Let's see, continue here. I'm looking for this to... It can go back, guys, to grab back everything here. We've done it during the news. But as well, we have potential to come a little bit lower. So I'm looking at the opening print level, 856 there to the side. And the 50 minutes range. So you say that right there you're losing confidence. Why you're losing confidence? Emotional side, strategy wise. Yeah, that's I know. I have your feeling. I had your feeling as well. The most important thing, so my friend, is that you keep your consistency there. You can have negative weeks, you can have positive weeks, you can have even negative months. Just keep improving, keep fighting, keep getting better, keep learning. The fact that you didn't blow up It's amazing. It's crazy good. It's crazy good. You can have negative weeks. You can have a negative 2 weeks. You can have even 3 negative weeks. So you have to be. It's true that you have to check what you do, but as well remember that you have to judge yourself in the right way. Not blowing up is a win. It's the first win. You have to be understand that 95% of people lose money. So the fact is that you're not losing money, you're already better than 95% of the people. It's insane, but it's true. And that is the first step, is not losing money. Then you can as well focus on pushing, make money. Yeah, I mean, how much is drawdown you still have? If you don't have that much drawdown, you can lower the sides like I did in this case to catch them back. Yeah, not every strategy works 100% of the time. As well, Omar is right on that. Do we have news at 9:45 or 10? No news at 9:45, neither at 10. Let's see, the 900 that are getting retested right now. We're reversing the news. So let's see. Look at that. I'm looking for. Look, the daily candle is still red. The fact that we took yesterday lows, it's a bullish thing. So I'm keeping the level here. Opening bid level. If we turn this candle to green, that's gonna be very, very interesting. 931. I'm waiting for this 50 minutes range to be closed. I think that is going to be a critical one. Using the 50 minutes range as a retest will be interesting. Looking for this 50 minutes range, guys, to be closed, and then I will decide what to do. I'm still just waiting. I want this 50 minutes range to be over, and then especially because if it closes and it gives me this as a resistance, then it gives me a support area that matches this area as well. And today is Thursday. PPI news out, CPI 2 days ago. A lot of news came out in the last days, and we have seen it. We have seen it from the market going crazy. This was what was CPI news? This was CPI news, I believe. Then this was yesterday, and today CPI, PPI. So CPI, yeah. So a lot of news in the last days, but so right now I'm just waiting for this 15 minutes range to be closed. Currently enjoying my cold energy drink and waiting. Yeah, same. I'm drinking my Monster here. I'm just waiting for this to be closed, 15 minutes range, and then I would be happy to look at. I think I would be happy to look for longs as well, to come back above these high levels here at 964. That's something, and the range is closing in 5 minutes. Range is closing in 5 minutes. I'm gonna take this range, beautiful range of yesterday. I'm gonna apply it here. Oh my God. And the 50 minutes range is for the moment in this area here. So outside the 50 minutes range, it does show me support, and as well the daily candle is gonna turn green on that area. So probably we're gonna close, maybe even we're gonna close somewhere here. That's gonna make it very interesting for longs. 4 more minutes, we're gonna figure it out, guys. I like the long idea. I really like the long ideas because we came back, we stopped out all these people that were looking for longs on the PPI news. Who already took some trades there? Who already took some trades? Tomato, Vaknut, Paul is waiting. There is no Mufti the Cat, but probably Mufti the Cat is there in background waiting. Valknut. I just like the name. It sounds so much Viking. Valknut. I'm waiting for this to be done in less than 3 minutes right now. Last 3 minutes candle. Then we will start to look for longs above. Definitely longs above and short below. Hands down. Because if we don't hold this 50 minutes range and this area of 900 and we come back lower, this is all short. It's just a bit more chill. 3 minutes is not too chaotic, but not even too slow. 5 minutes is too slow, and 3 minutes is in the between. Just waiting. Waiting for this 50 minutes range to be done in 1 minute. 1 more minute, right? Yeah, I think it's 1 minute right now. I do not believe in anything. I just wait for what it wants to do, and then I will look for the trade. Okay, closing candle right now in 17 seconds, and good. I like it because we're gonna play these longs above this 930. I like it until we get to 965. Candle closing now, very literally at the end. That's so interesting. Quite strong. $15 minutes is getting broken right now. Will it be clean break? Only one way to find out. Yeah, only one way. Look at this 931. That is the opening print level of the day, because if we go back to at 6 here, let's put it exactly where it should be. Somewhere here, yesterday at 6 p.m. Somewhere here. This one here. 6 p.m. This one. That's what it opened, and that's what it's rejecting right now. So if it rejects this and it come back below inside the 50 minutes range, I will look for shorts. Yeah, I will look for shorts below the 900s, below the 910. So if we don't hold this, look at this, rejecting the daily candle opening. Yeah, it's doing it very quick. I can start already trying to short on 920 if it wants to do that. Good luck, each one of you. Short now, 918. My God, very good, very fast there. Paul, what a king. I'm just waiting to see this candle, what it wants to do. If it wants to close lower, I will look for shorts on 920 and call myself out at above 930. If this candle closes red. If it closes green above, I will look for longs. Oh, it's closing above, look at that. I will look for longs then. Good chance I will look for long at 930. But I have to see this candle holding above. It's very interesting. It's doing it. Oh my God, it's really doing it. Candle closing right now in 10 seconds. If I see this candle moving a little bit higher, then I will look for longs 930. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna sleep so much. pushing. I like this 930 more right now. I'm gonna put an order at 930, guys. On 130, 120. Am I gonna get filled? Probably yes. Okay, I'm filled. Long. Longy. I like the long idea. Rejecting Scalpacino trades. I really like your name, Scalpacino. Scalpacino sounds Italian. Scalpacino. I still like the long idea until we hold above 50 minutes range. Let it play. Out. Again at 930. If it wants to fill me again, I would be happy to go long. This is beautiful. Yeah, I like the 930 because it was the daily open of the candle, of the daily candle. So if we're starting closing above, I will show you what is the idea of this. If I go to the daily chart, that means now the candle is green. So right now the daily candle is playing a green candle after liquidating yesterday lows. So right now we have taken yesterday lows, and with the candle we are switched to green. So this is a huge bullish candle right now on the daily chart. So that is the idea behind here, or the long. Let's look at that. 930 already there. Very strong. But I'm still waiting. I'm gonna give it the time. If it wants to come back and fill me again, would be nice. I'm gonna remove the order for the moment. Thank you, Scappuccino. Thank you. Thank you, Paul. Yeah, just right now, I'm just gonna wait a little bit to see what it wants to do. It wants to take the highs of the news before news. So this is the candle on the news time. So that's what it's. You cannot really miss anything here when we speak about missing. This came from a news. Probably this is like a spike of a 1 minute candle. You're not missing anything. This area here at 960, 70, but still, I wish we can come back and retest the 930. I wish it can come back here lower to get before going higher. I would be happy to take some longs there, but if he wants to do it, right now it's just going to the sky. Probably is going right away to take these highs. That's annoying. So we're not gonna, or we take the retest of this area 950, 60. But I wish we can come back. Maybe take us a long again around 930. Even 40s can be interesting. 30s. Oh wow! Look at that! Look at that! Ooh, 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 ooh. I will play long. I will play that long. Feel me, feel me. I would be happy to go long there. Ah shit, I didn't get filled. I missed it with not taking the long there. I missed it in not taking the long, but let's see. Freaking hell. I should have left my orders too. Look at that. It would have filled me already. Piece of crap. It's okay. I still like the long idea. This is just stupid shit manipulations. Probably we're gonna get filled. Okay, we're long, guys. Wish you the best. Or maybe I have to call myself out from this trade. Let's see. I still like the long idea. We're very bullish. I got filled again long there. Probably have to call it quick. 50 minutes range hold. I'm out. Oh, that's annoying, guys. That's annoying, and it did not flat me everything out. I have to flatten one account here. Oof. That's annoying. That's annoying. So that means that we're switching to short. This long is not holding at all. Yeah. That's annoying. You cannot hear me. That's annoying. Look at this candle. Does it want to close below the 50 minutes range or above the 50 minutes range? It's closing above, guys. Ah. Bullshit candle. Didn't take any highs. That's some bullshit candle there, guys, that freak me out. But gonna wait a little bit and decide. I definitely go now lifetime fee every time because I have good risk management. So I don't blow up accounts that often. My accounts go to 50, 60 trading days without problems. So I go lifetime fee. Before I was going monthly fee, and I had one account that went monthly fee for 10 months, and I paid for it 10 months, but I got payouts. So both works if you are able to get payouts. Lifetime fee because I have good risk management, so I was like sure to take that account to a longer life. If you are not sure about that, monthly fee is a good way. One more question, go. I would say monthly fee is the way everyone should do, because if you get to second month, one is achievement. The fact that you managed to get the account to over 20 trading days, that's a big achievement. So even if you pay for the second month and in the second month make you pay more than lifetime fee, it's not a problem. We're not holding there, guys. If we can close this, that's bullshit, guys. We really got destroyed by that candle. We're gonna might again attempt the long at 30s. So now we come back above. Look at that. Bullshit. Literally bullshit. Look at that, how you got faked out by this shit. So I will try again long there at 30s. Yeah. Every trading day gets used until the payout. If you take 50 days, all the 50 days will be used as well. Now I can start trading. Yes, your time. It's bullshit that we got faked out by that shit before. So bullshit. So bullshit, guys. Good, Mohammed. Very good job on holding yourself of taking trades until now. Probably I'm gonna get filled long again. I hope so. I'm long again. Let's see. Gotcha, because I'm pacing myself January and 12 days, but I haven't reached goal yet for payout with the phone. Yeah, take your time. I don't like when people speak about I want to have a payout next week. I want to have a payout in 8 days. I want to. You don't know the next days how they're gonna be. Maybe the next 10 days we have only losing days, like I'm having right now. So, really, being able to not look at days and just trade until you get to payout. That's all. Threshold. You don't have to look at the days. So you don't have to look at anything. We still didn't take the highs. That's what I'm looking for. And if we start to close above the 900, oh my God. Maybe I'm gonna get destroyed today, guys. Okay, max loss for the day, call it out. Good job, Tomato, call yourself out. You can have a losing days, accept it. I can have a losing days. It's not about the dollar amount, it's about how execution and process. It's not about the dollar amount, it's about execution and process. So right now it's fighting that opening print level of the day. Looking for these longs. I like it. That's it. It's risk management there. Risk management. Risk management, because the dollar amount is much smaller. So even right now, if I lose this trade, I'll close the day at minus 250, 300. I'm done. I'm gonna call it. I'm not reading right the market. I'm gonna call it. I did not get filled there. Let's see how it goes. Probably I'm gonna get filled. Maybe gonna get stopped out. The heck, we'll see. We will see very soon. It is area of support. $50 range. Playing a difficult day today. Come on, go back above this thing. Start pushing higher. Look at that 930. That's huge. Critical one. 914 long order. Give me something. Get me long. Okay, I will get filled now. I'm long as well at 920. So even more risk right now. I have a double position. Kick me out from this position. Yes, that's what I want to see. That's what I want to see. Kick me out from these positions. Let's go. 120 saving me there. Have you been trading too many for almost 5 years? Almost 5 years now. Again, 920, if it was to fill me, maybe 920 is the level, is the key. Almost 5 years now. Trading journey, I would say 5 years, but actually trading mine less than 4 because I stopped many times. Yes. So I'm not that motivated today, guys. I'm so tired. But let's see with this beautiful 930. Can you break this 930? If it breaks 930 holding, we're gonna see 40, 50, and 60 going easy. 2022 for me. Yeah, I started during COVID. I think I started. Okay, we're gonna push, guys. We're gonna push. Just hold your long position, guys. We're gonna get the longs. The longs are working. They're gonna work. It's just a matter of time. Ah, yeah, no, it's good, man. It's good. I'm relaxed. I'm long again at 920. Long again. Gonna get destroyed by this long or not? At least kick me out. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. Take me out this 940 right now. Kick me out. Kick me out. I want this 940. I don't give a shit. I'm gonna wait for this 940. Okay, 940. Are you coming? You piece of shit. You piece of crap. It doesn't want. Okay, get me out. No, it's gonna get me out. It's gonna get me out. It's just playing with your emotions there. You're just playing with emotions. If it comes back, if not, we'll see. We'll call it out right now. looking for this to come back. If not, we're gonna call ourselves out. I'm gonna call myself out. I think it did not change anything. All this scalping did not change anything. I'm a little bit more green, but I'm out. These wicks today are no. Look at that. Now I'm back. Nothing changed on my accounts position there. Still down. Look at that. Wow, this market sucks. This market sucks. I still like the long idea. What the fuck? But these wicks are killing me. Look at that, both times. Both times this week are killing me. It's cursed, man. It's cursed. It's still the long it can work, but inside the 50 minutes range again. What the fuck? What annoying shit, guys. If this candle turns green, I'm gonna go pissed so much. That's it. That's what I said. Look at that. Already. What the fuck? I'm gonna go long at 930 again. I'm long. This bullshit. It's literally some bullshit there. 920. Long again. But it's insane. I'm so dumb. Why did I get back in without waiting for the candle to close? I'm so dumb. I'm gonna call myself out, guys. I'm not trading the right things right now. Totally, my brain is totally incorrect. What the fuck? I tried for the third time to go long without waiting for this candle to close. This thing is reversing. I'm close to my max loss. $100 more. I'm close to my max loss. At least you're having the show today. So stupid. I should have waited for this candle to close. And instead, I'm like, I call myself out. I tried again long twice. I'm like an idiot. Now I think it's just a shorty moment because right now we are not holding shit. It's just freaking out people today. What the fuck is this shit? Chop, chop, chop. I will try to short the 920 without averaging down. Short the 900 if we go back 900, below 900. Chop, 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 chop. And right now we are. I'm starting short in this. It doesn't want to go higher, then let it short. Closing the candle there, 110. Right now I'm short again, and if this is out, guys, I will be out. If this is go to $100 loss, I'm out, and $100 loss is somewhere here above. Even 930 out, I'm gonna call it out. Until then, I'm gonna keep myself in the trade. Above 930, I'm out. Today's not the day for me, guys. Literally getting chopped out. I should have called it since before, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna have my stop loss there ready. $75. I'm gonna call myself out there. Bullshit price action today. Bullshit. Literally bullshit. I'm gonna get stopped out, guys. I'm gonna call it like that. I'm out. I got you stopped out. Incredible. Bullshit price action today. I'm stupid of pushing it that much. I'm so stupid pushing it that much, but I reached my max loss. And max loss for me is untouchable. Untouchable. Do you hear me on that, guys? Untouchable. I don't really touch it. I accept it. I move on. This is long again. Long short. Then my idea of long was right, but I was getting stopped out like every time. I was using 920, 930. Yeah, peace and love, guys. Have a good one, guys. Love you all. See you tomorrow for the last trading session of the week. Video code HAMS there. 80% has been extended for the next, I think, the rest of the month. I don't know how much, but it's there. Thank you so much, guys. I'm gonna call it.